Bluetooth connected.
Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to connect Bluetooth devices on Nokia 3210 4G feature phone. I'm going to connect both my headphone and a speaker for this. So let's check it out. This feature phone supports microSD card up to 32 GB, so we can store a lot of good quality audio files. We also have Bluetooth 5.0 connection here. We can listen to the songs by using the speaker, a wired earphone, or Bluetooth devices like Bluetooth headphone or Bluetooth speaker. I have a Sony headphone with me right now. This is the Sony W8000 XM4, my favorite one. To connect this headphone with our Nokia 3210 4G phone, all we have to do is go to the settings, go to connectivity, go to Bluetooth, and we have to turn this on first. We also have other options to change the phone name, change the phone visibility, and also devices found. So let's turn the Bluetooth on first. That's all. We can change the phone name here. We can change the phone visibility, hidden, always visible, temporary visible, and under devices found we can see all the devices which are ready to pair. Now I have to take the headphone and put this in pairing mode. I just have to press the power button for a few seconds. Then we get this blue color light blinking. That means it is ready to pair. Now take our Nokia 3210 phone and go to devices found and select add new device. And here we can see our headphone W8000 XM4, and we just have to select this. Just have to select the pair button. Please wait. We can see this connected option here. Connected audio, switch to this accessory. That's all we have to do. Disconnected. And if we want to disconnect it, we just have to go to the same devices found and go to the name, and you just have to click the disconnect button. We can also delete the pairing here. I'm going to play some songs now. Okay. You can hear them now. The sound quality is overall decent. Not really the best obviously, but definitely comes handy. And we also have the options to share this song via Bluetooth as well. We also have shuffle option. We also have playlist option. We can also set this as ringtone. We can also add our Bluetooth speaker in a similar way. All we have to do is power on, set this to Bluetooth pairing.
Bluetooth pairing.
Then go to settings, connectivity, Bluetooth, and under devices found, add new device. One headset is active, deactivate it first. Okay. Deactivating it. And now add new device. It will scan for a while. It is available here, SRS XB33. Just select the pair button.
Bluetooth connected.
That's all. Now we can play any songs we want. But unfortunately, the radio app is not working for both the Bluetooth headphone and speaker. That is a drawback. But we can listen to other songs that we have on our microSD card or on our phone.
If you wanna come along and sing a song, cause this is how we do it when you're having fun.
This is really a great option to have Bluetooth connection on this phone. We can store as many songs as we want up to 32 GB, and we can listen to all the songs using the Bluetooth devices. Thanks for watching this video. I hope we cover the procedure to connect our Bluetooth devices like headphone and speaker to this phone properly. If you have any questions regarding this, do kindly share them in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.